The latest question of the day that everybody seems to ask any real estate agent that they know, hey, is the market crashing? Oh, I'm seeing this market's going to crash. I think values are going to drop substantially, and I'm going to wait 6 months to buy and see what the market's going to do. I am not an economist. I only see things from the ground level up. And yes, the market has definitely stabilized. It had to cool down. It had been overheated for more than 2 years, and it was unsustainable. And with the inflation going up, obviously with the government increasing the Fed's increasing the rates, it has put a damper on a lot of people, and people can't afford, because the stock market taking a beating. A lot of people in the Bay Area especially are pulling their down payment money from the stock market. Now, does that mean that the market's going to crash? I was just running some numbers yesterday out of curiosity to see how we performed in the last 3 years. And I'm going to give you an example of Windermere in San Ramon. And Windermere in San Ramon went up over 67% in the last 36 months. And yes, the values have started coming down. We haven't seen a very substantial jump. It has been at 3% less month over month. So if you think that somebody is going to have 67% of their equity wiped out just because they want to sell a home, that's not going to happen. A lot of the homeowners in the area have a substantial amount of equity in their homes, and they don't need to sell. They're not desperate, because guess what? The rental market is doing phenomenal, and these homes can be rented out for a positive cash flow because these properties have that much equity, and these people have refinanced into rates that were in the twos back 2 years ago. I feel that I'm already seeing on the ground level that a lot of homes are getting pulled off the market and being rented out. In fact, I'm facing two of my own sellers who are talking about pulling their homes off the market and renting them out because they're not getting showings, and nothing is moving along. And they both did their calculations and talked to their CPAs and taking financial advice, and they would be in the positive by renting it out rather than losing their homes and selling their homes at this point at a loss from what it was even 6 months ago. So in my opinion, this inventory is going to start shrinking. I'm already seeing lesser and lesser homes hitting the market, and this inventory will shrink even more by the end of Q4. What happens in Q1 2023, nobody knows, and the buyers are not going to have the choices that they have right now. So if you are a buyer out there in the market thinking 6 months from now you're going to find a home and it's going to be cheap, if you think you're going to get a home 67% less in value in 6 months, you've got another thing coming. But if you're a savvy investor, I think this is a great time, because there are properties that are on the market that have been sitting for a while that are negotiating on prices, and you could get into a home. We've been negotiating. We've been getting our clients into homes at a lower price. So there's an opportunity, and really need to see and look at the opportunity that you have. And if you have any further questions, just give me a call. I'm Rama Mehra with Asante Realty, and you can contact me if you want any further advice. And we're always happy to help you out. Take care. Have a great day.